In this very short video, I want to show you where DistroKid distributes your music to, the services, the stores, and then also share with you the number of stores that I counted, because I actually did that. I did all that. So the first thing you need to do is get into your DistroKid platform. You log in. You'll be brought to the My Music tab. But where you're supposed to go is upload. So you come either to upload up here, or you go to upload music. So we're going to go with upload here, then upload music. So it will bring you to a page where you'll be able to upload music, but that's not going to be our focus. We are going to focus on the options that are provided up here, which are under services. Here you'll see 27 options shown. At first glance, you think there are 27, but in actual sense, when you come here and you read TikTok, Resso, and Luna, these are 3 options. So to that 27, you add Resso, that's 28. 29 is Luna. And then you come here and click many smaller outlets, right? So now we are 29 services or stores where your music is being distributed. You click on that and you see that MediaNet has partners as shown here on its website. And its partners include Active, which is a fitness application that uses music and playlists. And then Music Choice. Here we have Snapchat, but Snapchat is one of the options shown here at the bottom here, as you can see. So we are back to counting. We are 29. Active, that's 30. Music Choice, that's 31. Hydro, that's 32. And then ACX Music, that is 33. So DistroKid distributes your music to 33 stores or 33 services or 33 outlets once you upload your music through their platform. I hope that you found this video helpful. I just wanted to keep it short and answer that question because, as I've mentioned at the beginning of the video, you guys have been looking for this answer, and I hope that I have added some value to you. If you are new to DistroKid, maybe you are considering actually opening your account with them, you can use my link in the description to get yourself a 7% discount on your first year of subscription on the platform. Stay tuned for more videos. We post every week. We post about 3 to 5 videos every week. For the moment, it might change, but now I am rambling on. I'll see you guys in the next one.